Okay, we're going to use Picture Perfect Birthday, and we are going to combine that with this beautiful Designer Series paper. This is the Tropical Escape Designer Series paper. Look how pretty. It's kind of a fun, it seems like a summer garden party, doesn't it? We're going to make a, what is this that you blow on your birthday? Yeah, whatever this thing is that you just blow to make noise. Noisemaker. Don't know what it's called. So I'm making this. I started with the Blushing Bride. It started with that one, and then I put the stripes on with Lovely Lipstick. I love this color. Such a fun new color. And the one that I'm really surprised that I've used a lot of is this Shaded Spruce, which is what I'm going to use next. This is the little fringe, and I can kind of see, because these are photopolymer stamps, what colors those are going on to. Then we're going to use Granny Apple Green here at the end for the piece that blows out. So I've already cut that one out. We're going to stamp a little background here. These are the two pieces of the Tropical Escape paper that I decided I was going to use. So we're going to stamp some confetti. So I'm making the focal point of the box before I even create the box. By the way, this piece of Designer Series paper is 4 3/4 by 3 inches, okay? Now we're going to stamp our words right here on the front in Lovely Lipstick. Ooh, that one's got a smudge on it, so we'll turn it over. It says, Cue the confetti. I want to make some cute little edges on either side of this banner. So as a fun way to do this, you open up your punch banner and just thread your piece of cardstock right in there like that on this side, and then turn it over, and you can do the same thing on the other side. Okay, then I wanted it to have a little background, so I've got another piece. This one is 3/4 inches wide. This is 1 inch wide in between where I want it to punch. That's much better. We'll put our Cue the Confetti words on. Look how easy it is to make a layer. Now I'm going to thread my other side through. This one's got, I have to remember to hold it up here so you guys can see that. Now I'm just going to eyeball it right there. See there? And that is our other layer. So there's a way to layer that punch to make a cute little saying like that. I'm going to put this on this side so that we can see this cute little piece on this side. Get another little dimensional for the top. Ta-da! Cue the confetti, and we're ready to put that on top of our